Pairing your headset and transmitter. Step 1. Rotate the dial to turn on your headset. Step 2. If your transmitter is not already powered on, gently press the large power button to turn on your transmitter. Step 3. Press the source button until the blue light on the front panel matches the audio connection type that you used. For best results, we recommend using the optical cable. Step 4. Press and hold the pair button until the blue light on the transmitter begins to flash, then immediately let go. Step 5. Press and hold the tone button on your headset until you hear an audible beep, then immediately let go. The light on your headset will begin to flash. The blinking lights on both the transmitter and headset indicate that they are in the process of pairing with each other. The pairing process takes a few seconds. Once the pairing process is complete, both lights will turn solid blue. Now put on your headset to check if you can hear the audio from your TV. If you hear the audio, you're all set. You've successfully paired your headset and transmitter. If you do not hear audio but successfully completed the pairing steps, don't worry. This usually just means a simple adjustment to your TV's audio settings is needed. On most TVs, you will need to change your audio output settings. Within your TV's menu, go to the audio or sound settings. Find the option labeled Digital Audio Output or Sound Out, Optical, and select it. Then choose PCM as the audio output format. After you have located and enabled the PCM setting, put on your headset to check if you can hear the audio from your TV. If you hear audio, you are all set. If you're still unsure how to locate and adjust your audio settings, you can refer to your TV's owner's manual for guidance, or feel free to email us at support@hearsoundusa.com. We'll be happy to schedule a personalized phone call to walk you through the process. When reaching out, please include your phone number and the make and model of your TV so our team can be fully prepared to assist you. To recap the pairing process, first, turn on both the headset and the transmitter. A blue light on each will indicate they are powered on. It's okay if the lights blink. Next, check the source on the transmitter. Look for the blue light over the connection type you're using on the front of the transmitter. If it's not correct, press the source button to switch to the correct input. To pair the headset and transmitter, follow these steps in sequence. Press and hold the pair button on the transmitter until the blue light starts blinking, then immediately let go. Then immediately press and hold the tone button on the headset until you hear an audible beep, then immediately let go. Both blue lights should blink for a few seconds, then both lights should turn solid blue, indicating they are paired successfully. From all of us at HearSound, thank you. Be sure to visit our website at www.hearsoundusa.com for product manuals, setup videos, and to order additional HearSound products.